Hi guys and welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing with Amazon KDP and where I want to help you to earn money online. It's another month, so it's time for another income report, especially the income for the month of August 2023 of my Amazon KDP business. In this video, I want to show you exactly how many books I have sold during the last month, how high my royalties were for the last month, and of course, I will show you exactly how high my ad spend was so that you have a better overview for my Amazon KDP business. In the last video, in the last income report of July 2023, I highlighted that I have published a new high content book for the German marketplace in the end of July and set the expectation that in this month, in August, my goal is to achieve over 5,000 euros in royalties. If I achieved this goal or not, I will show you in this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. I'm very interested in your results of your Amazon KDP business, so write a comment with your results. I'm looking really forward to read your comments about your results. So let us don't waste any more time and jump right in the order section of my Amazon KDP business. As you can see, we are right now in the order section for the month of August. As you can see, I was able to sell 893 units during the last month. What makes me really happy is that I have a consistent sales history. I am every single day above the 10 units and even have days with over 40 sold units, so this makes me really happy. Another very good thing, my new released high content book made over 300 sold units during the last month. So from this 893 units, 300 are from my new released high content book. If we compare August with July, you can see that I increased the orders, the amount of orders of almost 140. So from 756 orders up to 893 orders. So this makes me really happy. And you can see that with consistent publishing, with consistent high quality publishing, you can increase step by step your Amazon KDP business. So right now, the most important thing of this video, how many royalties did I make for the month of August? As you can see, I achieved my goal of earning over 5,000 euros in pure royalties, exactly 5,083 euros. We can change the currency real quick to US dollars. As you can see, I made $5,531 and 5,000 euros. You can see that the lowest sales day was a little bit above 55 euros and highest sales day was on the 1st of August with 275 euros. So this makes me really happy. I'm really proud of this amount of money. And my newest released high content book made over 1,800 euros in the first month of publishing. If we compare August again with July, you can see I also increased my royalties by up to 700 euros. So from 4,363 euros up to 5,084 euros. But as you already know, the royalties are not pure profit. You have to subtract the ad spend. And my ad spend for the last month of August was really high because of my new released high content book. I am a big fan of the advertising strategy to go with a new released book very aggressive into Amazon advertising. So with very high bids, very risky so that I can compete easily with my competitors, that I can make a good amount of sales to improve the Amazon algorithm for this book, my book listing with the sales history and so on. So my ad spend for the last month was really high, but we will have a closer look on my total ad spend right now. So as you can see, royalties 5,084 euros, ad spend on the German marketplace 2,600 euros, Amazon.com 37 euros, Amazon.fr 328 euros, and at least the Spanish marketplace 78 euros leaves me with a profit of 2,038 euros. So now it's very important to talk a little bit about those numbers. In the last month, I highly recommend the last income report for the month of July. I showed you that my ad spend for the German marketplace was 1,100 euros. And now with the new released book, I increased my ad spend from 1,100 euros up to 2,600 euros. So an increase of 1,500 euros of ad spend in a single month. This is because of my high content ad strategy to go aggressive into a new market, into a new niche, to outperform my competitors. But of course, the profits are in this phase of my launch process very low. If we compare the profits of 2,000 euros with the last month, in the last month of July, I had profits of 2,900 euros. So I increased my royalties over 5,000 euros, but decreased in the same time my profits with almost 900 euros. Yeah, so from almost 3,000 euros in profits, I'm right now for the month of August by 2,000 euros profit. The strategy is the following. I will continuing to optimize my ads. So everything that is not working, that has a horrible ACAS, I will decrease the bids. I will turn off or shut down keywords, categories, or whole campaigns to decrease my ad spend and increase my profits again. And the goal is to get above the 3,000 euros profit mark. So I hope you liked the video. If you do so, make sure to put a thumbs up on this video. I hope that you learned a little bit about the launch process of a high content book, of my strategy of ad spend, and about the detailed look inside of an Amazon KDP business that makes over 5,000 euros. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And then there's nothing more about to say. I wish you a very great day, a great weekend, and we will see you in the next video.